Buccal massage is very effective tool to work on areas around your mid to lower face, including nasolabial folds, marionette lines, and all the area around your mouth. So I have the mirror over here. I will be, right now, I have absolutely nothing on my face, no cosmetics. I just did red light for 10 minutes. And then I did high frequency as well for a few minutes. And now, and I did this before I have any oil on my face, because every day I put oil. I will be doing Buccal massage with plum oil, because I personally like to apply some of the oil on my face to provide better grip. And so I'm not stretching my skin that much, and I'm just working from inside and also outside, but really letting my fingers slide a little bit so I don't stretch my skin. So I'm just applying plum oil over here everywhere. And over here I have mirror, so probably will be, facing this side. First, we're gonna be working on our lip area. This move helps orbicularis oris to strengthen and to lengthen a little bit, making our lips more plump. Now there is a very good point, acupressure point, right at the bottom of your mouth on the sides. And you can go from here up to your eyes, stretching this muscle a little bit. And this muscle is also responsible for formation of nasolabial folds. It's good to warm it up a little bit. And also one point over here as well. You can use gloves. You can buy surgical gloves in the store. I just washed my hands and I'm just gonna do it without the gloves. But you can obviously do it with the gloves. It's much more sanitary, just in case. So while we're working with this area, like deep motions, but not very deep, so not to break the collagen lines. Just to work in the area where the nasolabial folds are or form. And then you go around and work in this area where the marionette lines are. And also you can work each side separately. The depressor muscles are over here, so just a little step up, and then you can pull a little bit, but do not drop it. Bring it back carefully, so there is no like a rubber effect. Bring it back slowly. The effect is going to be immediate, and with continuous application, you will see much more impact in your appearance over here. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. I'm using plum oil, plum kernel oil. This is one of my favorites. It's so good for everything, very moisturizing. So you do the other side as well. A little bit more. This oil is by my company called Beauty Biologicals. You can use your own, or you can always get our oil. I select the best oils, the best qualities, organic oils, and they have amazing marzipan-like scent. And it's one of my favorite for sure. So obviously before I'm doing this massage, I cleaned everything. I cleaned my hands, I cleaned my face. That's why I'm going with the fingers in my mouth. And of course, then if you're doing the same, then make sure you wash your fingers and hands and face thoroughly before doing this. And then of course you wash afterwards also. Now we're gonna do Marionette lines again. You can do it each side separately. Just focusing on the areas where the seams are. You know, sometimes you can have like a visible seam of Marionette line. I'm sorry, of the Nasolabial folds, as well as Marionette line over here. And you massage this in this kind of like stirring motion, not too deep, in order not to break collagen lines, but good enough in order to like knead the dough. And then you can travel between this area and this area and do the same on the side. This is a very powerful massage. If you do it every single day, not every single, if you do it several times a week, you're gonna see continuous improvements in the areas of your lower face, and especially in where you have nasolabial folds, marionette lines, areas around the mouth. Sometimes as we age, our orbicularis oris shrinks and our lips become not as full as when we're young, and they turn inward like this, and also downward. So this, when you do exercises for orbicularis oris, it helps it keep young and in a good shape, not shrunk like sometimes it is. So I just wanted to record this quick video as I was practicing it myself in the morning before I go on with my day. I have a program, Happy Face Method. If you feel that you would like some guidance as well as reinforcement to practice daily with me, we do different things. We do face yoga, we do facial massage, we do buccal massage, we do scalp massage, we do all of this. And also I'm a certified trainer for some of the fitness classes. Circle mobility is an amazing class. It's in between Pilates and yoga, and I will be including some for my facial programs, because all of the muscles in the body are interconnected, and we can't just work on the face. Even though it's good to work on the face, it's better than not. But if you really want a balanced, beautiful face and body, it's good to work on both face and body. I promise it's not gonna take too long. I will make it conscious, with the thought that I know everybody has a very busy schedule, so you can practice as little as 15 minutes a day, or as long as whatever time you have, and depending on your particular needs. So I really invite you to join Happy Face Method. The link is down below. Hopefully I'm gonna see you there. But for now, bye, and I'm gonna see you later.